Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the display. Now let's scroll down to localize the night light. And of course you can turn it on without the customization just by using this switcher here. You can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. Of course, right now I'm showing you the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So let's enter the night light to customize it. And first of all, we've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. So basically just set it on the level which is the most comfortable for you. Here we can schedule this option. The none option is basically manual option, of course. We can turn it on also at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time. We can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based. So this is how it works, and none, as I said, the manual option. So this is the whole customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and now we have to find proper icon for the night light. Simply tap on it to activate it, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.